Hi everyone, Daniel here from the ClickShip team. Today we will be doing an integration video for eBay. So same thing applies, go to marketplaces on the left hand side, and I want you to click on add new marketplaces. From there you'll see eBay. And what you'll want to do to connect your store is first log into your eBay account, which we've already done. And then you'll click on your account name at the top left corner. You'll go to account settings and personal information. So once I'm logged into my eBay account, I'll go to my account settings and then we'll click personal information. Might ask me to sign in quickly. Alright, perfect. Once you're in the personal information section, you're going to want to grab your username. So I'm just going to copy and paste it. As you see here, enter in your username exactly as shown. And you'll click on connect to store. Are you sure you want to connect this to marketplace? Yes. Perfect. So a pop-up will appear. It'll ask me to sign into your own eBay account. And then basically you'll want to grant access to ClickShip with eBay. So I'll click I agree. Perfect. So the integration was successful. You will get an email sent to you once integration has been completed. You can also stand by on your ClickShip account just to wait it out. Well, then your orders and products will appear into your ClickShip account. But that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward with eBay. You just want to follow a few steps that we do provide. But if you have any further questions, please email us or call us. Our phone number here is 1-877-335-8740. Or you can send us an email to customercare@clickship.com. Thank you.